Hello and welcome to the Dixie Cup Travel. The last time we went on vacation out to the Royalton Vivaro, I tried to do a walking tour of the new resort, and the footage I got was just incredibly shaky. So this time when we go away, we're headed to a newly renovated now Larimar in Punta Cana, and I figured I'd get a handheld 3-axis gimbal to try to help me along. So I decided to go with the EVO Shift, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the EVO Shift. I ended up getting this on sale, and it came with the tripod included. So we're just gonna start looking at this. Here's the box. There we go. And it'll just slide open, it seems. Move that aside. This is the way they came out of the box. Comes with a nice case. And there's the gimbal inside. So this is what you're getting. Instruction booklet, strap, charger, gimbal, and the case. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of the EVO Shift 3-axis gimbal. As always, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section.